Ready to unlock the power of programmable messaging and build engaging experiences directly into your application. Let's dive into sending and receiving messages using Telnyx, a leading platform for cloud communications. First, you'll need a Telnyx account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Messaging Profiles section. Messaging profiles act as containers for your phone numbers and messaging settings, giving you granular control over your SMS traffic. Click on Create Messaging Profile and give it a descriptive name. Next, you'll need to associate one or more phone numbers with this profile. Make sure you have numbers purchased or ported into Telnyx for this step. Now, let's grab your API key. This is the secret ingredient that allows your application to talk to the Telnyx platform. Find the API credentials section within your account. To send a message, you'll make a simple API call. You will specify your Telnyx number, the recipient's number, and the message body. Be sure to use the API key for authorization. Receiving messages is just as straightforward. You'll configure a webhook URL in your messaging profile. Whenever a message arrives at your Telnyx number, Telnyx will send a notification to this URL containing the message details. Your application can then process the incoming message, trigger automated responses, or store the data for analysis. Experiment with the API, customize your messaging profiles, and unleash the full potential of Telnyx for your messaging needs.